Hi, I'm Nicole from Engadget, and I'm in a car with, what's your name?
My name is Ljuba Milkovic. I'm the Chief Product Officer at Automatic.
Automatic. What is Automatic?
Automatic is, well, we call it your smart driving assistant, and it helps you in 4 ways. One is it helps you save money on gas by giving you feedback about how you drive while you drive, because it turns out that very small changes to people's driving habits have been shown to have really big impacts on fuel efficiency. So here you see the Automatic app on iPhone. At the top you can see that we're driving a Toyota Corolla, and that this week I drove about an hour, about 14 miles, and got 28 miles per gallon during that week, and I've spent about $2.50 on fuel.
Mm-hmm.
Down below you can actually see a timeline of all of your trips going backwards in time.
Mm-hmm.
And currently we are driving from our current location. And then at the top you can see your drive score, and this is what I was talking about, where small changes to your driving habits can have a huge impact on fuel efficiency, and there are 3 things that we measure for that. The first is rough braking, which is brakes that you make really, really hard. The second is hard acceleration, which is you sort of peeling out of a stop, and the third is going over 70 miles an hour. These 3 things alone, if you reduce, can save you up to 30% on gas a year, which can add up to hundreds and hundreds of dollars. Most people are aware that speeding or driving in a really aggressive way affects your fuel efficiency.
Right.
But what Automatic does is it gives you feedback in the moment to make you aware of the things that you're doing. So one of the really common things that people do is that they speed up into a stop, and so they'll speed up and they might be in a rush.
Whoa!
And then they'll stop a little bit more aggressively than they need to.
We heard that beep there. Those beeps are essentially the link telling you that you shouldn't be driving or braking so fast.
We don't want to be a backseat driver if someone wants to drive aggressively, or if that's fun, or if they're really in a rush. Like, it's not our place to tell people how to drive. What we want is for people to know that how they drive can really affect how much they spend at the pump. And we think that once people know that, they might want to change how they drive. So that's why we provide the feedback the way that we do. The second thing is that it always knows where you parked. It automatically tracks where your car is located and can give you a point on a map on your iPhone and show you where your car is all the time. The third is that it can read your car's diagnostic computer and then read out the codes that your car is registering and tell you why your check engine light might be going on and what you can do about it. And in many cases even lets you clear it right from your smartphone. Hey, so in this car where we're driving right now, the check engine light is on, and this can happen for any number of reasons. It could be something as simple as your gas cap is loose, or it could be something like, hey, your engine is really overheating and you should stop driving or take it to a mechanic right away. The problem is that most people don't know which is which. So what Automatic does is it pushes a notification to your phone whenever that happens. So in this case we can see the little icon up here indicates a problem on the engine, and it says right here, your check engine light is on. And these are the 2 codes that your engine is reporting. We translate those codes into English, describe the problem, and then offer a solution. If you need, we can contact the closest mechanics to you and show you well-reviewed ones on Yelp. Or, if the problem calls for it, you can turn the engine light off yourself. And finally, it can call 911 in an emergency and make sure that you get help if you're ever in a crash, all automatically.
Fantastic. Can I have a look at the item in question?
Sure. If you look down here, you can see it plugged in. We built a piece of hardware called the Automatic Link, and what it does is it connects to the car's onboard computer through a standard port on all cars sold in America since 1996. It's called the Onboard Diagnostics port, and this is the port that your mechanic might plug into when you're getting your car serviced. And so that little piece of hardware pairs wirelessly over Bluetooth to your smartphone whenever you drive. So you don't even have to have the app open, just have your phone in your bag in the trunk, it doesn't matter, and the 2 will connect every time you drive and make the whole thing go. I think one of the things that really sets it apart from other devices is that there's no monthly fee. Because we use the smartphone for GPS and the data connection and don't build that into the Automatic Link hardware itself, the whole system costs $69.95 and has no monthly service fee at all.
So, Ljuba, this has been a great demonstration. When can we get this Automatic Link?
The Automatic Link Automatic is available for pre-order at automatic.com, and it's, like I said, it's $69.95. The app for iPhone 4S and 5 will be available in May along with the Link. It's available for pre-order right now though.
How about Android?
Android app, it uses the same hardware, it's just the app is a little bit behind in terms of development, but it should be on the market in the fall.
All right. Thank you so much for taking me on this little test drive.
Thank you.
Thank you.